All right, guys, this is Trade Hunter here with Steady Trades. I wanted to give a quick overview on relative volume, or RVOL. What is it and how do we use it? Simply put, relative volume is current volume compared to average volume. Let me show you how you use it. All right, guys, so as you can see, I have the stock Mara up paired with our relative volume indicator. The relative volume indicator takes whatever specified number of days you tell it to and averages out the volume over whatever time frame you tell it to. So it's displayed as a ratio, meaning a ratio of 1 is 100% the average volume over whatever time period you are taking volume of, right? And as you get higher, that just indicates a higher volume. So if we have a ratio of 2 or more, like you can see here, that indicates 2 times the average volume. And that is very apparent here in the stock price and what is happening in the action of the stock. So I hope this helps you to gain a little bit of an understanding of what relative volume is and how you might use it as another tool in your arsenal. As always, reach out to us anytime on Discord, leave any comments. We're always here to help, and have a great time, guys. Happy trading.